What's up, guys? What a great week for Bitcoin. And I wanted to make this video. It's gonna be it's a bigger video than the normal videos that I make, but I'm gonna give you what I think Bitcoin is gonna do long term. What I mean long term is not really long term, but it's we're gonna go for the weekly. Also, we're gonna check first the 4 hour time frame for the next 24 to 48 hours, the daily time frame for 10 to 12 days, and the weekly time frame for the next 2 to 3 months, and what we could be seeing for Bitcoin. And stay to the end, so you will see in the weekly time frame what we might expect from what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. Is this a bull run? We were at the bottom, now it's a bull run, or do you think it's a bull trap? So stay tuned until the end. So we're gonna start with the 4 hour time frame, and so as you guys can see here, Bitcoin did amazing. It was an amazing week. Look how we're going to the upside, and what do you do here? Do you buy or do you sell? That's up to you. This is not a financial advice, and this is just for entertainment purposes. And what because we broke this area, this resistance, the previous resistance, and I knew that we are not going to just, I mean, go to the resistance and go down, because we had to go over it. And see, now we are here. There, I don't buy. I personally don't buy Bitcoin. There is a place for me to sell. Why would I sell there if we're going to the upside? It's because we already passed this resistance, and from there we're gonna have a retracement. You guys can see this little curve here on this green area. We're going to the downside. Also, we can confirm it here with the stock RSI. So we're going to the downside to make a retracement. You know, Also, if the big whales start selling right now, or there's a bad news out there, we may go down to 12,000, 9,000. But I don't think that's gonna happen. I think we're gonna make a decent retracement and then go to the upside. Okay, so now let me go to, okay, here. Okay, this is the 4 hour time frame. Now we go to the daily time frame for the next 10 to 12 days. Okay, so see where we at. We are here on this resistance. And so what I think is going to happen is, okay, here, let me get this, make it bigger so we can see it very well. Okay, from here, we can go sideways. This is the daily time frame for the next 10 to 12 days, okay? And we can go sideways. That's the better option. And because from here, we're going to go to the downside, you know, and then we're going to start a red area, and once it gives me the enter point around here, we should be good to go to the upside. Okay, if it goes sideways, or if Bitcoin doesn't go down from the 55 EMA, which is this green line. Okay, if we don't break it to the downside, we're fine, we're going up. And let me explain to you how far up can we go, and are we on a bull run? I don't think so. Since all the mess that is going on in the economy, there's a companies laying off, and I think it's gonna get worse. So we have to be very careful. You always have to protect your money. I don't think investors, since the market is getting worse, they're gonna try to risk their money. No, they won't. So people are very cautious, and I think what is happening is the big whales are pumping the crypto market. So you and I can go in and then thinking that this is a bull run, and then suddenly you will see what's going to happen. So so let's go. So let's go to see the weekly time frame. So now we're done with the daily time frame, which is for the next 12 days. So that's what I believe is going to happen. We're going to have the retracement, and then when we are on the 55 over the 55 MA, we're going to go to the upside. Okay. And now if we go to the weekly time frame, see, this is this is while we were just looking at the daily time frame. Now we are at the weekly time frame. Okay. So crypto investors, the big whales, they think it's, since the market is getting worse, they think it's better for them to sell here and get out of the market, and then from there we go to 12,000, 9,000, and they keep their liquidity. No, what their plan is, they're pumping the crypto market to go to the upside. And this is the 55 EMA on the weekly time frame. It's different than the daily time frame. This is the weekly time frame is for the next 2 to 3 months. And what I'm telling is, since the economy is getting worse, crypto investor, the big whale, they don't want to sell here. Why sell here when they can pump the Bitcoin to the upside? And once you and I get involved in investing, thinking that we're gonna miss the train, and suddenly this guy come from the crypto market gets here, Bitcoin gets here, and then instead of those big guys, instead of selling here, they're gonna sell here. That's a better price. So that's where they're looking at. That's what I think is gonna happen, and so that's what they pump in the crypto market. And once they're, you know, you and I thinking, oh, this is going to the upside, we cannot miss the train, we're gonna keep investing, and suddenly this guy come and they sell it all, and we're going to the downside. We're going to 12K, 9K, because it's gonna happen in the 2023. This year is gonna happen. It's gonna happen, and get ready. That's why I said protect your money. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna be going in, and when it gives me the time to go in, I'm gonna go in, and when it's time to get out, I will get out of the market. And so let me erase. Okay, so we're gonna say that it's gonna come around this area. So from here, this space here, this distance, there's there's plenty of room for me to make some gains, but I had to be very careful. I had to get in when the time is right and get out when the time is right. So once Bitcoin passes this 55 MA, I'm gonna put a stop loss below. Okay, I'm gonna put a stop loss in once it reaches here. If they sell, the whales sell their cryptos, their bitcoins, we're gonna go to the downside, and my my stop loss is gonna get me out of the market. So I'm gonna sell here, and I'm gonna buy when it's at the bottom. I'm gonna buy, you know, probably double, instead of stay in the market and losing my money and then wait until we go to the upside. So a lot of people think that Bitcoin is gonna go I mean, this is a bull run, and we're gonna go to the upside, cross the 55 EMA, and once we are in this resistance, make the retracement. Well, the 55 EMA should be probably like this. Okay, around here. Okay, make the retracement, and then to the upside. Do you think that's going to happen? Just leave in the comment if you think we are in the bull market, or do you think this is a bull trap? I personally think this is a bull trap. Be careful, guys. I'm warning you. This is not a financial advice for any. This is not a financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes, and I want to warn you that be very careful. Always protect your money. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to my channel. My name is Hector Avila, and I'm gonna be making this short video for cryptos. And if you want me to make a video for any particular crypto, I will be more than happy to do it for you and post it on the channel. And I made this video little longer than normal, just I wanted to explain to you what I think is going to happen. If you know I wanted to see where we might be heading, and that's what I think is going to happen. I think it's a bull trap, but if you think I'm wrong, that's okay. I don't have a crystal ball to see the future, but that's what I think is going to happen. So if you think differently, that's okay. We can be friends, and leave a comment and see what happens. So, hey guys, I think if we keep learning, improving, even if it is 1% every day, we can be better. We can keep learning. Life is about learning. It's not just like stay there, just learn something and forget about. Okay. And if you like this video, please subscribe, share it with 10 friends so we can 10x this video and this channel. And guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next video, champions. Bye bye.